Hello students, today we will start a new chapter, measurement. So first we have to know what is measurement. Measurement means the quantity, measuring the quantities. See, there are some pictures. In first picture we can see someone is measuring the height. In second picture someone measuring the weight. So this height, weight, these all are about measurement. Suppose your height is 4 feet or 5 feet. Your weight is 30 kg or 40 kg. Or suppose you go to the shop and buy some potatoes. So what can you say? Give me 5 kgs of potatoes. So these all are the measurement. So first we have to know the definition of physical quantity. Anything which can be measured is called a physical quantity. Anything, height, weight, length, breadth, mass, these all are called physical quantity. Anything which can be measured is called a physical quantity. There are two types of physical quantities, fundamental physical quantity and derived physical quantity. Fundamental physical quantity means which do not depend on other physical quantities. Suppose length. Length means height, breadth, mass, time. This all are fundamental physical quantities. They do not depend upon other physical quantities. But there are some physical quantities which depend on these fundamental quantities. For example, suppose area. Area means we know length and breadth. Or suppose density. Density means we know mass by volume. So these all are dependent on the fundamental physical quantities. These are called derived physical quantities. So we can see there are two types of physical quantities, fundamental and derived physical quantities. Now you have to know what is unit or what is the importance of unit. First, see the definition. A suitable part of a physical quantity is taken to measure a similar type of physical quantity in respect of which the physical quantity is measured is called the unit of the physical quantity. That means the part of a physical quantity which is taken to measure a physical quantity. Suppose someone is saying my height is 5. 5 what? 5 inch, 5 foot, 5 meter. Or someone is saying give me 5 apple. 5 what? 5 kg, 5 piece, 5 gram. So that's why the unit is important. We have to know the particular amount, and for knowing the particular amount we have to know the units. This is the importance of units. So first, the units of the length. There are two pictures, handspan and cubit. These are used in ancient days, handspan or cubit, but this is not accurate measurement. Why? Suppose handspan, your handspan and my handspan may not be same. A child's handspan or an adult's handspan may not be same. So this handspan, cubit, this cannot be the accurate unit of measurement. For accuracy, there are SI system or SI unit, international system of units are used. There is a chart. See, there are 7 physical quantities and their unit. Length, meter, mass, kilogram, time, second, current, ampere, intensity of light, candela, quantity of atom or molecule, mole, and temperature, Kelvin. These all are SI units. There are so many units like CGS units, FPS units, but in your syllabus only SI units are there. So you have to learn the total chart, the SI unit of this 7 physical quantity. Now see the rules of writing SI unit. First, full stop, comma, etc. are not written after the symbol of the unit. There is no full stop, no comma. The symbols of unit are always used in singular form. Suppose 1 meter, we can write 1 m. Not 5 meter means 5 ms. Always in singular form. Name of a unit is never written in initial capital letter, even if it is named after some person. Suppose ampere, joule, Newton. These all are named after the scientist's name, but we always write them in small letter. If a unit is named after a person, the symbol is written in capital letter. Suppose ampere, capital A, Newton, capital N, meter, kilogram, etc. So these are all the rules of SI unit. Now see the conversion of smaller and bigger units of any physical quantity. There is a length there is the example of length is given. So we know the metric system, right? Kilo, hecto, deca, meter, deci, centi, milli. And we know 1 kilo equal 1 hectometer, 1 hectometer equal 1 decameter. So these all are about the metric system. See, hectometer, decameter, decimeter, millimeter. So these are the smaller and bigger units of a physical quantity in SI system. Now see some examples, some numericals example. Say number 1, the diameter of a thin wire is 5 millimeter. Express it in meter. So 5 millimeter. We know meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. That means 1 meter equal 1000 millimeter, or we can say 1 millimeter equal 1 by 1000 meter, equal 10 to the power minus 3 meter. So 5 millimeter equal 5 into 10 to the power minus 3, that is 0.0005 meter. Next example number 2. Distance between Delhi and Kolkata is 1305 kilometer. Express it in meter. So kilometer to meter, we know kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter. That means 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. So 1305 kilometer equal 1305 into 1000 meter. So this is the answer. This is all about the measurement of length. Now come to the next point, measurement of mass. The mass is measured by a common balance. We all have seen this instrument, the common balance. Okay, nothing is there. Just remember the name. The mass is measured by a common balance. Next, measurement of area. Area means what? We know area means length into breadth. Suppose there is a rectangular table or rectangular box. Its length is 5 meter and its breadth is 3 meter. So, what will be its area? Area means length into breadth. That means 5 into 3. That is 15. And most importantly, the unit is meter square, 15 meter square. Why? Length is 5 meter, breadth is 3 meter. So 5 meter into 3 meter, that is 3 5s are 15 meter into meter, that is meter square. So remember the unit, the SI unit of area is meter square, not meter. Okay. So this is the measurement of area of a rectangle. Now see the measurement of a sphere. There is a formula pi r square. R means what? R means radius. Pi r square. Suppose the radius of a sphere or of a circle is 3 meter. Then its surface area will be pi r square, that is pi into 3 square, and the value of pi is 22/7. Now calculate the value and you can find the surface area of a ball of any sphere. Now see the measurement of volume. Volume means what? Volume means length into breadth into depth. Okay, this is called volume. The space occupied by an object is called its volume. We can see there is 5 liter of water. This 5 liter is the volume, is the measurement of volume. So this volume is measured by the measuring jar or measuring cylinder. See the unit, the SI unit of volume is cubic meter. Why it is cubic meter? Meter cube. Because length into breadth into depth. So meter into meter into meter. There are 3 meters multiplied. That's why the unit is cubic meter. Meter cube. And 1 liter equal 1000 centimeter cube or 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. And 1 cubic centimeter, 1 cc equal 1 millimeter. Okay, so this is the measurement of volume. Next, see measurement of time. This is, we know what is time. Time is the interval between starting an event and completing. It is called the time. Suppose Suppose you have started your study at 8 a.m. and finished it at 10 a.m. So the time span is 2 hours. So this is the measurement of time. There are some units of time. 1 year equal 365 days, 1 day equal 24 hours, 1 hour equals 60 minutes, and 1 minute equals 60 seconds. And the SI unit of time is second. And we know time is measured by an instrument called a clock or a watch. So this is all about the measurement of length, mass, time, volume, area,